내 깜빡이는.
Probably the smallest part.
Look at the glossy reflection. Oh me. Hey guys, I'm back at Labspec Automotive Finishing. We had our windows tinted here a couple of weeks ago. And just last week I was washing my Model 3 and I realized that the Model 3 had a lot of rot chips and paint damage along the front panels. And it had me thinking, how do we prevent that from happening to my beautiful Model Y? I know it's a huge investment, but we decided to go ahead with the front PPF for the Model Y. I'm sure it will pay dividends over the long run. This video will document the whole PPF install to give you guys a better idea of what the whole process looks like and if you should also consider getting PPF for your Model Y. All right, let's go outside. Seriously, so clean. Look at this. It's a very familiar scene. I remember this. I don't know what that's called, but the thing in your mouth and you're applying film on surfaces. Cute. Is this the easiest part of the PPF?
Probably the smallest part. This is all the colors that we can get. We've got carbon fiber looks, we've got forged carbon looks. So obviously this is all PPF, not vinyl. Vinyl will typically only last about a year or two before it starts losing its color and fading and becoming really bad. Because this is PPF, totally different material, a lot thicker, a lot more durable, 10 years warranty. If you do want a color change, by all means we can cater.
The film's like completely invisible.
Yeah, once it's on and once it's dry.
You can't tell the difference at all, really.
The best feature, well, I think is a cool feature, is the self-healing effect. And so naturally, because the film is made of a TPU material, if you get any minor scratches or scuffs on the film, the scratches will dissolve back into the film and the film will want to find its natural form again.
Whoa. I actually had no idea PPF film has a self-healing effect as well as like a hydrophobic property. That makes PPF like way more worth it. I thought it was just for paint chips and stuff. Look at the glossy reflection. Oh. We are done. Thank you so much. This looks so great. I can't wait to show Jess. Thank you again, Luke, for your amazing work.
My pleasure.
For the subscribers of this channel who are watching, how can they come find you when they need a PPF done?
Easiest to send us a DM on Instagram, like we promised last video. If you mention Jegs' YouTube channel, we're happy to look after you and give you 10% off the total.
Absolutely amazing. Well, thanks, Luke. I'm gonna get on my way. Can't wait to show the car to the rest of the fam. I came to pick up Jess. Let's see what she says. Yes! Hey, babe. What do you think? Can you tell the difference?
Can I touch it?
Yeah. Look, can you see how glossy it is? Look at the reflection.
It's always been glossy, babe.
Are you sure?
Finish, where does it stop?
So pretty much all the front panels have it. It stops just here for the front doors and the mirrors. Look at the difference. Can you see it's like hydrophobic? It's been raining a tiny bit. Look at these drops. It's tiny, yeah, compared to...
Do you see that?
Can you tell? See? How easy is maintenance?
I'm not even
Crazy.
touching it. Look.
Look.
This is Ian's stinky
Stinky socks.
by the way. Look at it.
Yeah, see how easy it is to maintain? Compare this PPF part to the panel right next door, which is the front door. Not gonna lie, it is still glossy because the paint works nice. But look at the difference. Look at all the rain marks just on the way here compared to the front. Yee.
Very good.
So, what do you reckon? Do you like the look?
There's a little tiny bubble there. Can I pop it?
Don't pop that. Luke told me that it dissolves naturally within a week.
I'll pop it. Look, I'm popping it. Ooh, looks good. Thank you.
What are your initial thoughts?
Everyone should go to Luke and ask for the service.
Get some PPF?
Get some PPF done for your car to be shiny like a diamond.
Yeah, we're really happy about this one. No longer do you have to worry about damaging your car all the time. With the PPF install, you can get your car looking like this as long as the PPF lives, which is around 10 years. And really, before I didn't even consider PPF, thinking that it's like a one-off wear and tear. 1 year later, you gotta get another coat on sort of basis. But the quality material used for this one with Luke has a self-healing effect. So we're looking forward to what that looks like. Even if the PPF is damaged, it will heal itself back up just using the natural heat, the sunlight. We'll keep you updated and tell you what that looks like. But now we're gonna pick up the kids and say goodbye here. Goodbye. I know today I've chosen to go with the front PPF for now, but a lot of people always wonder whether they should go for front PPF only or like the full shebang. What are your thoughts or recommendations on that?
It honestly comes down to everyone's individual wants and needs. Everyone has different budgets as well. The front end is the most highly recommended thing. It's the most prone to debris and rocks flicking up from cars in front of you. But if your budget allows and you do want the entire car to be completely protected, it really just depends how much you care for your car, how long you're planning to keep it. And the beauty of PPF is that you have that peace of mind knowing that underneath the paint it's going to be completely brand new factory paint.
Wow. This is the perfect addition to keep your car clean, beautiful, and perfect for your everyday use.